Look at this beauty. But it's not what you think. This is Handmaiden Moth Amata cyssea. It dresses up like a wasp with bold orange and black color to scare away predators. A classic nature trick. Here, it's resting on a beautiful Crinum lily. These flowers are everywhere in places like India. The moth is active during the day and helps pollinate flowers. Good news, it's completely harmless. This clever disguise is called Batesian mimicry, nature's way of saying stay away without actually being dangerous. Have you ever spotted one in your garden? Tell me in the comment like this reel and follow for more hidden nature's gem.